Sonam Raghuvanshi, the wife of late Raja Raghuvanshi, who had been untraceable for over 2 weeks, surrendered to the police at the Nandganj police station in Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh on Sunday evening. Her surrender comes 17 days after the newlywed couple from Indore mysteriously disappeared while on their honeymoon in Meghalaya. The case took a grim turn when Raja Raghuvanshi's body was recovered on the 2nd of June from a deep gorge near the popular Way Saudong Falls in Sora, East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. Following the discovery of Raja's body and rising suspicions of foul play, the Meghalaya police constituted a special investigating team to probe the incident. Sonam's sudden reappearance and surrender are expected to provide crucial leads in the ongoing investigation.